landscape. This side of a house can add beauty, functionally, and value of your home, often overlooked. This side yard can be transforming from an visual open space into an area with a pair and producing whether you want to create a choosy pathway, a smart gardening, or simple beauty. The view is how to design the preface tidy art for your home. Understanding the space, the first step is access to side art, determinant sunlight. The side of your home is over native mean not receiving the same amount of sunlight as the first and backyard surface if it's bordered by a fence and other streaming. Take note of your amount of light the air